Now then guys, it's Adam from Car Enhancements, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about a brand new product of ours. This is our MK8 Fiesta and MK2 Puma full LED footwell replacement units. You might be asking, you already do a MK8 footwell, Adam, and it is your best selling product, but we've just levelled the game up, so I'm going to tell you a bit more now. Okay, so what you're looking at here on the left is the OEM unit that comes with the MK8 Fiesta ST and the MK2 Puma ST and some models of ST line. Inside this housing you've got one of these, and this is an LED chipboard, but it's only got the one LED chip on it, as you can see. Now what we've done is we've taken the LED chipboard and we've enhanced it, and we've now given that 12 LED chips. Not only have we given it 12 instead of the one, but we've also improved on the chip that is in there to go with a brighter chip. So these chips that are on this board are 3 times brighter than that, and with there being 12, obviously you can see from yourself they're going to be a lot brighter. I'm going to do a test in the car in a moment, which you'll get to see. Not only have we redesigned the chipboard, but we've also taken the diffused housing that you can see on the OEM board. As you can see there, the chipboard just sits in the back. You can see that is a diffused housing, it's frosted. What we've done, we've gone one bigger and we've changed it to a clear housing. It's clear. And the reason why we've done this is the diffused housing, what it's designed to do is disperse light. So because Ford have only given one LED chip, now rather than that one LED chip just pointing on the floor straight down, what they need to do is they need that light to evenly disperse across your footwells. So they give it a diffused housing, which is frosted, and what it does is it just creates a bit of light spread. In doing the clear housing, because we've improved the LED chip and gone for 12 LED chips, what we've already done is we've already bettered the LED chip. So then going with the clear housing means that that light doesn't get diffused, it doesn't get chalked up a little bit, but it gives you the full maximum output of the LED chips. In my right hand is the board that comes from Ford. You can see it's just got one LED at the top. In the left hand side you can see our new board with 12 SMD chips. Now this is a world first. There's a few other companies out there that are offering replacement boards, but their replacement boards also have one LED chip in, but they've improved the brightness. What we've decided to do is go full hammer. We've worked out what the maximum amount of power that the footwells can be supplied with, and we've basically gone full town, and we've gone within 90% of that reach. That will give you the maximum amount of LED light that your Fiesta footwell can handle. This is truly a world first, and when you couple that together with the frosted and the clear housings, you'll see that we will be offering the brightest footwell on the market for your vehicle. Okay, so to further emphasise on what I was just saying about the difference between the clear housing and the frosted housing, the left has got the OEM chip with the OEM frosted housing. The right has got the OEM chip with our clear housing. Now you can see, even though on our housing the light penetrates better, because it's only got a single LED chip, the diffuser actually allows it to spread. So what they've done is they've taken a really poor LED board and they've made it look a bit better by spreading it with that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you one of our LED chips, again in the frosted and the clear housing, so you can see the difference. Okay, so what I've done for you this time, I've taken our new LED board and I've popped it on that side in the diffused housing and on that side in the clear housing. And as you can see on this one, now the camera isn't really picking it up, but if you look, the diffused housing is restricting the light to just a small little spread. Our clear housing is giving it a much, much bigger spread. So you're getting a 2-for-1 basically. And I hope that that better explains it. It's really hard to pick it up on the camera, but you can just see every now and again it focuses properly. And you can see that the light spread is so much further on the clear housing than it is compared to the frosted. So what I'll do now is I'll plug them into the footwells and I'll show you the comparisons between each of the lights within the footwell. Right, so first and foremost, that is your OEM footwell. And that is both sides OEM LED chip and OEM frosted housing. What I've done on this one is on the left hand side I have put the OEM chip with the clear housing that we have now developed. And you can already see that around this section here, you're already getting more light. Now the LEDs on this chip, there's only one LED on them, and you can see there the dot. Because we've now got a clear housing, it's now giving you an actual penetration of the single LED. Now what the diffused housing does is it spreads the light, and you might be thinking, well, that looks better than that. But obviously what we've done on our board is instead of going for one LED, we've got 12. So you can imagine that it's brighter and it's giving you a more direct output. And then when we pop our LED chips in, you'll see that it's going to be a lot brighter. So I'm going to do that for you now. Now, would you just look at that? So on the right, we've got the OEM LED chip with the OEM frosted housing. And on the left, we've got the white CEUK 12SMD LED chip with the clear housing. Just look at the difference there. Look at the absolute comparison. Now these are going to be available in red, white and blue. We're not doing a green and purple just yet. It's something that we might do on the horizon. But look at the difference. Just look at that. So this footwell on the left is full brightness. There's no dark spots, no dark patches. And the one on the right is just crap. And there you go. Both of them now changed to the ultra white. Now just look at the brightness on that. Absolutely stunning. Can you imagine these in like a red and a blue as well? They are absolutely stunning. OEM fixtures, so no more sticky pads, no more messing about. You literally unplug your existing one and you plug these in. An absolute world first. As you can see, the decision to change the housing from frosted to clear has been a brilliant one. Not only have we allowed more light, but it just spreads so much better. So there you have it, another pioneering product from CEUK. You're not going to find these on any Chinese websites. You're not going to find these on any other suppliers' websites. These are fully designed by Car Enhancements UK here in Yorkshire, in England. I'm really, really happy with how they've come out. These have been about 6 months in the making. This was a really, really difficult task. The footwells on the new cars, especially 2020 onwards, have got limitations on power. So we've really had to sort of tweak this and that and get it right. But I'm really, really happy with the outcome. These are going to be ready very, very soon. The batch is in production now. We've got 1,000 pairs of every single colour coming. So you're going to see these in red, blue and white. We're looking for a release towards mid to the end of May. I will drop a link in the description as soon as they're available. As I mentioned, they're a direct replacement for your OEM. You plug it in, you clip it in, job done. No pissing about, no sticky pads, no falling off after a certain amount of time. These are next gen. If you like what you see, please drop a comment. If you've got any suggestions, if you've got any questions, drop a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, it really does help us. And thank you again for watching. Have a good one, guys.